Hey gang, Dave here, Getting Any Outdoors, and today I'm coming at you live on location at the old stomping ground, Sportspal, and I'm going to be showing you guys my personal favorite. I did a video, but it was on the water, kind of hard to hear it a little bit, so I'm going to just do it a redo. This is going to be the 14-foot wide transom Sportspal Canoe. All right, here it is in all its glory. Check her out. Oh, look at that. What can I tell you about this? This canoe is a 14-foot wide transom, and it happens to be 13 feet 8 inches long, 38 inches wide from the outside of that sponson to the outside of that sponson. It's 13 inches high at its highest point, weighs in at 56 pounds, makes it fairly easy to portage for two people. As I said, I do have this canoe myself. If you check out the other video, I blasted a hole through mine right back there and showed you how to repair it. So the weight, 56 pounds, as I said. The capacity on this canoe is 850 pounds. The horsepower rating on this in Canada is 3 horsepower. In the US, it's 2 horsepower. The Coast Guards they don't agree on that. However, if you're in Canada, you can boogie a little quicker. What else? Every wide transom comes standard with the web seat option. I guess it's not an option if it comes standard. They come with 2 paddles and oar locks. So basically oars. Somebody threw a fishing rod in there just for fun with his homemade lures. Hey, check those out. What else? There's luggage cords, so you can wrap that around your paddle for transporting. You don't have to put the paddle in your Honda Civic or whatever you drive. The foam liner in the bottom of this here, what that does, it makes it good and quiet. So if you drop your paddle in the bottom of the canoe, you don't have to swear at the guy at the front of the canoe for being too loud, scaring away all the fish. So if you are interested in this canoe or any other Sportspal, you can get a hold of the fine folks at Baywood Enterprises at info@bwmarineproducts.com. They're available in many different colors, many different sizes, many different styles. Check us out. Check out the other stuff on the channel. You'll see the other models. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all the bells, thumbs up things, even those, all around. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Little bit of bonus footage here. This is just to show you guys that we are hard at work here at Sportspal, trying to make sure that we have plenty in stock, plenty built for when the snow is gone. It's starting to warm up a little bit, and we are going to make sure here at Sportspal that anybody that wants to get their hands on a Sportspal or Radisson, you're going to have plenty of opportunity. So contact a dealer in your area or reach out to info@bwmarineproducts.com or ask this guy. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep it safe.